Hey, what's going on, guys? Thanks for coming back to the channel. As always, I appreciate all the support here on YouTube and on Instagram. If you haven't followed me on Instagram, I'll leave my handle right here. Go ahead and, if you want, follow me over there. Tonight we're going to bring you a rather new company. I'd say they come out in January. They actually kicked off their opening of their company on January 1st, I think it was. Very awesome products. I've had them for a little over a week, and I cannot get enough of the butter. The butter is absolutely amazing. The scent, some of my favorite scented products here. Stay tuned after the intro and we'll get right into it. Welcome back, guys. Thanks for coming back to the channel as always. If you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button. If you stick through the whole video and you like it, hit that thumbs up. Tonight we're going to talk about a new company. Just kicked off their company January 1st. I believe it was because they had a live stream on Instagram. That company is called Bucking Beards. The co-founder and CEO, his name is Erik. I don't want to butcher his last name. I'll show you his business card here in a minute. Sent me out a Buch Yeah beard bundle, which consists of an oil, a beard balm, and a beard conditioner, beard cream rather. Like I said, I've used these products a little over a week, and my beard, they're amazing products. He does offer a hemp line, which I think I'm going to get the honor to review something from his hemp line, which would be totally awesome. But tonight, like I said, we're going to review the trio of products. They're called Buch Yeah Beard Bundle. I think it's pretty cool. You know, the label's awesome. The ingredients are all good for you. The products, absolutely, I enjoyed thoroughly using. The beard oil is a super thick consistency, and it absolutely goes great in my beard. My beard was soft, smelled great, lasted all day. The consistency of the balm, the butter, and the oil was, top-notch stuff. So let's get into it. When you order from Bucking Beards, I don't know if he sends this out with every order, but he does send out his business card. And if you guys seen my unboxing on Instagram, you'll know that these business cards are no joke. Check that out. And you're probably saying, oh, it's just a regular business card, but that's like a credit card thickness. I mean, that's you go big or go home. And of course, you get a couple of Bucking Beards stickers. Very cool. And a little pamphlet. Thanks, Patrick. Hope you enjoy, Erik. Live life and buck on. It's a little welcome pamphlet. A little bit about the company. Pretty awesome. And now, the main attraction. I'll go over the oil as always, like I do in the other video, then the balm, and then my favorite, the beard cream. I don't have my cheat sheet with me, so I'm going to read off from my cell phone. I should have been a little bit more prepared, but that's okay. The scent profile to this is smoldering sandalwood containing sweet vanilla undertones, calendula, orange refreshing scent that is designed for sensitive skin and gives a bright accent feature. The ingredients, let's see, the ingredients in this are castor oil, jojoba oil, abyssinian oil, argan oil, echium seed oil, I've never heard of that, rosehip oil, kalahari, melon oil, and essential oil blend. And that sandalwood, that smoky sandalwood, it just amazes me, like how these guys get these essential oils, mix them up. Just an amazing scent. That smoky sandalwood and that undertones of the sweetness of the vanilla, just on point. Like, I could not get enough of this oil. And the oil is a pump top. You can see, I really dig the labels because they got that chromatic effect. Kind of look like chrome. And like I said, it is a pump top bottle. Consistency. I don't want to waste too much, so I'll just put a drop in there. As you can see, it's not super thick, but it's thick enough to coat my beard really well. But the scent, oh my goodness. You get that smoky sweetness, the vanilla and the sandalwood. You get a little bit of the orange on the back end of it, and it's just a really, really nice scent. And like I said, the oil coats my beard really, really well. Feels good in beard, makes my beard super soft. My wife really likes this scent. It's good for an overnight scent as well, or nighttime routine rather. I used the beard cream for that a few times, and it just, you wake up in the morning and you smell that nice smoky sandalwood with a little bit of sweetness. It's just freaking awesome. And that was the Buch Yeah beard oil. I know it's hard to see that probably, guys. I apologize. The next thing we'll go over is the beard balm. And this is like a really smooth consistency. The conditioning factor is you can tell it's there because it's really smooth. It feels good in beard. It keeps my flyaways down. The stiffness wise is I'm going to say a light hold. The ingredients in this, this is going to be hard to read. Redefined shea butter, Caranuba wax, I think that is. BTMS wax, emulsifying wax, 100% pure, white petroleum, polysorbate 60, cocoa butter, black cherry seed oil, red raspberry seed oil, jojoba oil, abyssinic oil, and essential oil blends. I'm going to hold that up there so maybe you guys can see that. Probably not, I apologize. But like I said, the consistency of this, oh man, that smells good. It's really soft. As you can see, it does take a little bit to push it down, but the consistency, I'll show you real quick in my hand, and it emulsifies pretty quickly. It holds down my flyaways really good, but like I said, it's got a light hold to it. This balm really held my flyaways down. Just overall performance of this balm, it just did a really, really good job. If you're looking for a nice smooth balm, the consistency smooth, you got to try these guys out. Like I said, this is really, really awesome products, and that was the Buch Yeah beard balm. And now my favorite part, the beard cream. At first, I didn't know what it was in the package when I did my unboxing, but this is a huge. I believe this is a 4 ounce. Let's see, 4 fluid ounce beard cream. And like I said, the labels are awesome. They got that nice chrome look to them. And the ingredients in this, let's see, distilled water, BTMS wax. Work with me, guys, here for a minute. Ketareth 20, cocoa butter, emulsifying wax, 100% pure white petroleum, polysorbate 60, stearic acid, cetyl alcohol. I'm having a hard time reading those other ones. And you guys are saying, I don't know if you guys could read that. I've used this cream, I'm going to say 4 days in a row, and my beard has been soft. It felt good. It didn't dry out. It didn't feel dried out. It was really, really like a good conditioning beard would feel like. And the consistency of this is like a really, really thick lotion. It's got a fresh thing on top of it. Hold on, guys. Work with this upright. Edit that out. But the consistency of it, I don't know if you can see. Remember, it's always chilly up here, but this is like a thick cream. And if you guys can see that, set that down. And I will say, if you can see, it turns white. Of course, obviously, it's going to turn white. And when you put it in beard, I'll demonstrate. Put it in beard. Your beard does not turn white. Get it nice and even. Throw it in there. Even it out a little bit. I don't have a comb on me, which really sucks. But as you can see, my beard is the same color. And man, that scent is just fantastic. I love this scent. My beard is just, the consistency, it doesn't have no tack to it. It's basically a cream for your beard that conditions it freaking awesome, I would say. But like I said, felt great in beard. My beard is super soft. Once it sets in, feels great, and the scent, the longevity of the scent profile lasts all day. It's a good nighttime cream to put in your wake beard. Up with a nice, fresh smelling beard, soft as can be. This is probably to date, since it's basically the new year, one of my favorite butters this year so far, or cream, we'll say. One of my favorite creams this year so far. Send a thank you to Erik and his crew over at Bucking Beards for sending out this package. I really appreciate it. I hope to do the hemp line next. We'll find out. We'll see. Watching out for that. I used them for a little over a week. My beard got soft, stayed soft, never felt dried. These products worked really well in my beard. They never dried it out. My beard never felt dry at any point. The wife loved it. So you got all those positive factors. I'll link everything in the description below, guys. Check them out. They're a brand new company. Hope you enjoyed the review, guys. Thank you guys for all the support through the couple years that I've been doing this. You guys are the rock for us reviewers. Without yins, we'd be nothing. Until the next review, peace.